Leron. Can we see both your hands?
My hand's right here.
I see a right hand. We just want to help you, man. No one's in trouble.
Trouble.
Nobody's in trouble. Just put everything down and come out here so we can talk.
Okay. Chica!
Come on, Leron, just come out here. Leave everything on the ground. Let's talk.
Chica!
Who's that?
Ain't nobody here for you, man.
Who's that? A plant.
Do you have any weapons in there? No.
Not a trick question. You got any guns in there or not?
Chica! Chica!
Or you don't know?
Huh?
You know what the hell you have in your apartment?
Do you have guns in your apartment? Yes or no?
I don't have a gun in my apartment.
You have knives in there, right? Chica!
A couple knives. Huh?
Hey! Shoot, sir!
Yeah, this is not the normal
Sir! Sir!
You got a gun?
Yeah. Back up. Disengage.
Cause serious bodily injury. Maybe even worse. You need to give up now. This is the last warning. They're telling me I cannot help you anymore. Okay, Leron, you're doing really good. Come on back slowly. Walk slowly towards the front door in the hallway. Walk backwards. Leron, it's only going to get worse.
After that, let's see vapor.
It's going to get worse,
Roger,
Leron.
let's see vapor going in. We have to do that. Go on your right.
You have to walk. Towards the hallway. It's only going to get worse. Walk backwards, Leron. I know it hurts. That window's not going to help you. You have to come to the hallway. There's nothing in the hallway. Make your way to the hallway slowly. You can do it, Leron. Once you get to the hallway, I'll be right there to help you. Come out to the hallway. Slowly walk backwards, Leron. Not the window. You can do it. Just do it slowly and focus. Walk backwards towards the hallway. Not the window, Leron.
The window and he's trying to get his hand out far more out. Both hands were clear. Yep, I don't see him anymore. I can just see his head. Sierra 3 looks like he's trying to climb out the window. Oh. Sierra 3, he is trying to climb out the window and one leg on the ledge. Oh shit. Sierra 3 shot away. The suspect is down just inside the window.
Just get his hands behind his back. You don't even need to handcuff him. Can you see the handgun? Yeah, both are free. Okay, just do me a favor. Hold him just like that. Okay, we have the suspect down. We're going to have let's just, if we can get his hands where we can see him.